Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable an SSL certificate in InMotion Hosting. As you can see, my website is currently showing as not secure in the browser. Now, log into your InMotion AMP account. Scroll down a little, and you'll see two options. One is a dedicated SSL, which is paid, and the other is free. The free version is enough for any new website, so I'm going to enable the free Basic SSL only. Just click on the free Basic SSL, and a new tab will open. In this tab, you'll see the toggle button to enable the free SSL for your website. Just toggle it, and it will turn green. Before that, you need to check whether your domain is eligible for free SSL. Check your desired domain, and click on Check Eligibility. If you see a green tick mark next to your website, that means it's eligible for free SSL. You can also run this check for your website if you want. We've now enabled the free SSL. Generally, it will take around 2 minutes for the changes to update and for the site to show as secured. See now, the site has changed from not secure to secure. You can clearly see it is showing connection is secure for the website testinmotion.techfin2k.com. And that's it. Your website is now secured with free SSL on InMotion Hosting. If you're starting a new website or want fast and secure hosting, check out my link in the description to get started with InMotion Hosting. Thanks for watching.